What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you're going to see how to turn on voice chat in Roblox PC. The steps are pretty similar for both phone and PC of Roblox. And then head over, I'm going to show you the steps. So yeah, you must be 13 plus to be eligible for your voice chat option, and your phone number and ID must be verified to get the voice chat option. And once you are in your Roblox, head over to your account settings and go to the privacy tab. Here you will find microphone and camera input, and here toggle on the use microphone to chat with voice selected to on, and it will turn from gray to green, indicating that voice chat has been enabled for your account. And you can just turn it off at any time to disable the voice chat. In addition to those settings, 13 plus phone number verified users can enable voice chat when they are in a voice enabled experience. You will see an on screen notification asking for your consent for voice recording, especially for safety, moderation, and improvement to the tools and services. After that, your device will ask you to confirm microphone access, and then you will be able to use the microphone or voice chat in Roblox. So yeah, this is how you can just enable it in your PC. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.